Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet 8 petal coster flower. So friends, for this project, I am using 3-ply cotton yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and 4mm steel crochet hook. So to begin, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making slip knot, make your base chain according to the petals you want in your flower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I am making 8 petal flower, so I am making 8 base chain. After making 8 base chain, go into the first chain and make a slip stitch to form a ring. Now make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1. Wrap the yarn. Go into the ring. Pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then through second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now make chain 1 again. Wrap the yarn. Go into the ring. Pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our third double crochet stitch. Take the starting yarn tail between your stitches while working. Make chain 1 again and make another double crochet stitch. Make chain 1 and make another double crochet stitch by repeating the same pattern. So repeat the same pattern till the end and make total of 16 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So friends, I have completed my 16 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Now make last chain 1, go into the top of chain 3, third chain and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. After finishing your first row, cut off this starting yarn tail. And for the second row, we are going to make a slip stitch into chain 1 space, because from here we are going to start our second row. So make chain 1, pull the yarn from chain 1 space and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Now make chain 6 for our petal. After making chain 6, make one more chain. Now after making one more chain, go into the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2 loops. Go into the second chain and make single crochet 2. Go into the third chain and make single crochet 3. Go into the next chain and make single crochet 4. Into the next single crochet 5 and into the next single crochet 6. So after making 6 single crochet stitches, go into the second chain 1 space directly and make a single crochet stitch. So this is our first petal space. Now make chain 1. After making chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet stitch. Now again make chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After making chain 6, make chain 1 again and make 6 single crochet stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After making 6 single crochet stitches to chain 6, go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet stitch. again make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet stitch. So repeat the same pattern for next 6 petals as well. So friends, I have completed my second row. After making the last chain 1, go into first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, pull the extra yarn because we are going to change the yarn color for our petals. So take a tapestry needle and weave this yarn end to some backside stitches. So take your yarn to backside and first of all make a knot here to secure your work so that your stitches may not loose. So make a knot. After making a knot, now weave this extra yarn end to some backside stitches, and after weaving, cut the extra yarn to secure your work. Now for the final petal row, we are going to change the yarn color. So first of all make a slip knot. You can go into any chain 1 space and pull the yarn. Take this starting yarn tail between your stitches and make a single crochet stitch here. After making a single crochet stitch here, skip this first single crochet stitch, go into first chain side ridge and make a single crochet stitch directly here. Wrap the yarn, go into the second chain, pull the yarn, pull through 3 loops. This is our half double crochet stitch. Take the starting yarn tail between your stitches like this. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the third chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the fourth chain and make a second double crochet stitch here. Now go into the fifth chain and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4 into the same stitch to increase the petal. Now go into this last 6 chain and make 3 double crochet stitches here, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So we have total of 7 double crochet stitches. First single crochet stitch, then half double crochet stitch, then double crochet stitch, then double crochet stitch, then 2 double crochet stitches and then 3 double crochet stitches. So this is the pattern for our petal. We are going to repeat the same pattern to the second side. Into this first single crochet stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the second single crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase here like this. Go into the third one and make 1 double crochet stitch, go into the fourth one and make 1 double crochet stitch, go into the fifth one and make 1 half double crochet stitch, turn the next petal to work more comfortably, go into this last 6 single crochet stitch and make 1 single crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern for our petals. Go into the next chain 1 space and make a single crochet stitch. Always make 1 single crochet stitch into chain 1 space. Ignore the single crochet stitch of second row. Directly go into these side chain spaces and repeat the same pattern of 1 single crochet into first chain, 1 half double crochet into second, and then 1 double crochet into third, 1 double crochet into fourth, and 2 double crochet stitches into fifth chain, and then finally 3 double crochet stitches into the last sixth chain. Here 3 double crochet stitches. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Repeat this pattern oppositely to the second side of single crochet stitches and make 1 single crochet stitch into chain 1 space and repeat the same petal pattern to the next petals and cut the extra yarn and weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches with the help of needle. So friends, here is the final look for our 8 petal flower. You can see you can use this flower as coaster as well, and you can add this crochet flower to your crochet bags and some other projects. You can add a bead too. So if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.